Hey guys, what's going on? It's Wednesday, halfway to the weekend. I want to do a little makeup unboxing today for you all. For my ladies out there and my makeup artists out there. So, this video is not sponsored at all. I'm not sponsored by anything or anyone, but when I come on here with products, it's because I really truly love them and I love the way that they work and they just make everything just pop and they do what they're supposed to do. So, of course, we all have been home. We haven't been able to go shopping to the malls. We haven't been able to go to stores. So a lot of us are at home doing some online shopping. Sometimes a little more than we should, but I do my online shopping in good moderation. So I've got these makeup palettes from Juvia's Place, and I came across them on Instagram, and their eyeshadows are popping. Now I'm that girl when it comes to like eyeshadows and nail polishes. I usually stick to the same thing all the time, and sometimes back home in Connecticut, I used to go to this one lady who used to always tell me, why do you stick to the same thing? Why don't you get like blue and green and purple? I always stick to like pinks, reds, nudes, white. White is like the go-to nail polish color. And when it comes to makeup, I don't do anything crazy like sea blue or green, but I'm getting to the point where I do want to experiment with really bold colors. So Juvia's Place has a lot of really cute makeup eyeshadow palettes. They also have concealers, foundation, powders. I do believe that they have some lip glosses and lipsticks, but I love eyeshadow. So I do want to open myself up to having, a little bit of colors and everything like that without looking like I belong on stage somewhere. But I just got these in the mail. I ordered three different palettes. And my younger sister, she has ordered some stuff from them, and she's actually really happy. So I haven't used these yet. This is my first time using Juvia's Place products. So I can't wait to try them out to see what they do and how pigmented they are and everything. Now I'm already loving the boxes. So here's the first one. This one is Nubian 3 Coral. I love the box. This one is the Nomad by Juvia's. Their boxes are so cute. I might even keep the boxes, y'all. And this is the Zulu by Juvia's. So I'm going to open them up and see what the colors look like. So let's start with the first one. Let me tell you something. I'm already impressed with the packaging. Just the packaging by itself is really, really pretty. And I think that kind of sets the tone for, your product. And these are taped pretty good in here. All right, so let's take a look and see what they look like. Look at that, guys. It's really well wrapped. Comes in, it's in some bubble wrap to protect it. All right, so this is what the palette looks like. I love these palettes. So let's see. Oh, look at that. See, now I love going to the makeup store and actually, testing the eyeshadows, because when you see them and you're online and you're trying to order, you really don't know what they're gonna look like. And I like it to look like, I want it to look on me how it looks in a picture or how I see it online. But these are really, really pretty. These are really, really pretty. They have browns, they have some grayish tones. They have some cute like rose coral colors. They don't have names on them. I thought that they had names to each one, but these are really pretty. I love a little bit of shimmer. Let's see here. Oh, and they are pigmented. Look at that. Let's see. This one right here, I have makeup on, so I'm not gonna just put it on my hand here. Oh, I like that. See, it doesn't go on dark. It's like a peach. I love this. Woo, I love it. They did a good job with this one. Again, this is Nubian 3 Coral. And mind you, they had a sale, so I am always up for a really good sale, especially when it comes to makeup, because not that I'm being cheap, but some I feel like, you know what, a lot of makeup out there, there's a lot of good quality makeup out there that's not, you know, $50 for one eyeshadow type of situation. But I love a good sale. I love a good sale. As long as you're getting good quality, good sales, you know, it's about being very mindful of your money and not buying things off of impulse and just spending all your money on it. So the one I'm opening now is the Zulu. Actually, you know what? I think this is the one that I'm going to like the most. I'm going to open this one last. Let's open this one, the Nomad by Juvia's. I'm already excited. I cannot wait to use these. And I'm going to let you guys know, you know, how easy it was to apply it. Maybe I'll do like a little, you know, a little tutorial on what I do with my makeup, and I'll use the palettes. Again, it's in bubble wrap. I love the fact that they protect their products. Here's the palette. Again, they seem to be the same size. Let's see here. Oh yes, look at those colors. Let's take this out. Look at that. These are very earthy tones. They have like, let's see, browns, mustard color. I could do something with this because I actually really like these colors. I love these colors together. They're really nice. Some of them are shimmery. This one has a few sparkles in it. This one's probably like a dark forest green color. This is really nice. I like this. Juvia's Place, good job. Good job, good job. Okay, so this is the one I'm gonna open next. This is the Zulu by Juvia's. Here we go. Let's see. These palette boxes are the cutest thing. I'm telling you, I love them. I love them. See here, let's open this one up. Woo. Now these are the ones with the colors that pop. You see, these are a little bigger, but look at those bold colors, y'all. Now see, I'm not used to wearing all these crazy bold colors, but I will probably be playing around with them now to try to figure out what will go, you know, together. Just kind of have my, you know, my little style, my colors, how things look. This is really nice. This color down here is like a rose color, but it has like a gold hue to it. I don't know if you can see it. That green in the middle is really nice. This is really nice, y'all. So there you have it, ladies and gents, my unboxing from Juvia's Place. Again, I found them on Instagram. I can't wait to try their colors out. Their eyeshadows. I haven't bought anything else because, again, like I love eyeshadows. I love playing around with colors, and now I'm going to be even more daring and try their bold colors and see how everything works out. So there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed my makeup unboxing for these eyeshadows, please go down below, comment, let me know what you think. Let me know if any of you have tried it, how you like it, what you don't like. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, hit like and share, and head on over and check out my other videos. I'm currently playing The Last of Us, so go ahead and check that out as well. I will be playing that later on this evening. But again, thank you so much, and hopefully I have more content for you. Toodles!